Alright, cleaned it up a little bit, put some things back together. Got the brake, emergency brake handle remounted. Got this trailer brake controller temporarily out of my way up here, my custom zip ties. And then after thinking about it for a while and looking at it, I realized, oh, maybe that bracket goes up underneath the dash piece and then bolts down that way. Sure enough, that looks like how it goes. So anyway, got it bolted up there, and then I moved the vent, I think it was called the vent. Anyway, I moved it from there. I took it off and put the replacement one in here, ran it up over this hose. Where's my finger at in this camera? Oh yeah, over that hose and then back down up in there. So that one's working and it's mounted in the correct position. I don't think that's the right name. I think that's the vent one though, but those little white plastic pieces come out, or that's correct and the other way was wrong. But anyway, that's it for that one.